front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, hit this arrow at the top left one. Now to use it, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, just click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold your text, wait for the pop-up and hit pin. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you can either hold it again and tap on delete over here, or simply swipe it to the right. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!